Runaway Homestead. Today's video, it might be of a multitude of things because I have so many different projects going on and things that I need to deal with. From a business closing where I was able to purchase gallons of wood glue, screws, paint, polyurethane, all of that stuff. I got to find a way to get it put away. I naturally want to get on the sawmill and do some stuff. Let me walk you over here. All of this was from a friend of mine that was moving, and she was not taking this stuff with her and told me to come and get it. Pretty cool vase. Patio plant stand. Old coat rack. I've already got this sold. Got a tin pan in the bottom of it. You would hang an umbrella from right here to dry, and that's where it would drip to. I've got this bench that I picked up. I've got to do something with it, whether I refinish it or make it live edge material. Little shelf, marble table, marble hall table, lamps. I've got more table frames. This is a garden tray piece. I've got this secretary here. And there's some of the boards that I've cut for a project. I wish I could do one at a time, but I guess I'm just not geared that way. I always have numerous projects going on, and in a way I guess it's good because if I don't feel like working on one, I always have something else I can do. But it does make it hard to get everything done. So anyhow, like I say, this video today, it may be all over the place. So hang in there with me and we'll see what we can accomplish. Had to go down by the garden and get a couple of tools for doing some drainage work beside my barn and the sawmill. And I've got to do some winter damage on the little greenhouse. When I bought this thing, it said withstands 110 mile an hour winds. And as you can see, the white panel there, that's already been replaced from a panel that blew away. The wind tore the vent window out. And my neighbor found that panel in his front yard. It does not withstand 110 mile an hour winds. So anyhow, I gotta go back up to the barn for a little bit and then come fix that so Kim can start moving some plants from inside to out. So stick around, I'll be back. Well, when all else fails, green duct tape for a greenhouse. Put the vent windows back in, the other panels in on the opposite side down there. So Kim is pretty much ready to go. Coming to an end. Walking up to the barn for one last time. Gotta get a tackle box somebody wants to buy. And the sun's starting to go down, as you can see behind me. But it's been a pretty productive day. I moved around a lot of wood for the sawmill, worked on that drainage, sold a little marble table that I got for helping somebody move. So that was okay. And got the greenhouse fixed. See if we can see it in the sun. Got all that back together. I think I mentioned that a little earlier. But nice evening here in Kentucky. So, hope you all had a good weekend, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, repurpose, reuse, whatever you can. And I'll see you next time, Runaway Homestead. Thanks, guys. Hey, good morning. Welcome to Runaway Homestead. Today I'm on the edge of a wood line putting up a bee box or trap for swarming bees. It's a nice morning out here, and doing a few repairs on my old stand and get this thing up and strapped to the tree and keep an eye on it. Okay, I'm sitting in my truck and I'm going to show you what I've done in the past to catch a swarm. Okay, what I do is I take a Q-tip and we'll see if this will focus any better. Okay, what I do is I take a Q-tip. I've actually got 2 of them, and I will put a couple of drops of lemongrass oil on them. And then I have this little bitty baggie. I cut the Ziploc top off of it, and I will put these in here just so they don't lose their scent too quick. I want it opened up just a little bit. I'll put it near the entrance, and then I'll keep an eye on this. It's on the edge of the woods where I work, so it'll be easy for me to keep an eye on it, and I have caught a swarm here before. So let me get this part done. Okay, I don't know if you can tell, I've got that baggie open. Got a little more oil on there than I planned. So I'm going to put this in here near the entrance. I got a little on me, so I'm going to smell like lemongrass oil. I'm going to take this little piece, I'm going to put it under the nuke box on my foundation board up here, or my board that I mount my box to, and see if, well, it can't hurt. I like to try new things anyhow. So, time to get the box up. Okay, let me show you what I got. So, I would recommend strapping to the tree and also to the base. Being springtime, you never know what storms are going to kick up some winds, and that has got that box really solid. So now all there is to do is sit back, watch, and wait. So there's just my little tip on getting you a swarm box in place. Hope this helps somebody out. That's probably 9 or 10 feet off the ground. Hoping for success.